A side hustle is a way to earn extra income aside from your main job. It's flexible, allowing you to follow your passion while boosting your finances. Start by identifying your skills and passions. This foundation will help you find a side hustle that excites you and fits your strengths. Next, research the market demand for your idea. Knowing what people need will help you create a successful side hustle. Create a simple business plan. Outline your goals and strategies to keep you on track and focused as you launch your side hustle. Design a workspace that's both productive and comfortable to encourage creativity and efficiency in your side hustle. Leverage online resources and tools to streamline your tasks and make your side hustle more efficient. Create a marketing plan tailored to your audience. Knowing how to reach them is vital for success. Balance your time efficiently between your full-time job and your side hustle. Effective time management helps to maintain harmony. Regularly monitor your progress and adjust strategies as needed. Flexibility is key to navigating challenges. Finally, share your tips and personal experiences. Your journey can motivate others to embark on their own side hustles.